In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Android Studio 4.0. Just open developer.android.com/studio URL. Press on Download Android Studio button. The executable will get downloaded. Double click on the executable to start the Android Studio setup. Here I am going to change Android Studio installation location to D drive. So I am going to create one folder, Android Studio, inside D drive. Or you can keep the default installation path as it is. Once we finish with Android Studio setup, it will open Android Studio settings screen. Here you can choose any one of the installation type, either standard or custom. I am selecting custom. Click on Next. Here you can select the UI theme Dracula or Light. So as I choose custom option, I can define where to store Android SDK files. So you can keep C drive as it is, or you can change the location. I am making a folder on D drive to store Android SDKs. Just keep rest of the settings same, click on Next and Finish. When done with downloading components, click on the Finish button. You will be able to see this screen after successful installation of Android Studio. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.